Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing the Village PieMaker Strawberry Rhubarb Pie. We've got everything that we need assembled here. So we've got our pie, we have a baking sheet. If you don't have a baking sheet, just use some tin foil. We've got a food thermometer and some scissors to open this bad boy up. So first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now we're going to get this opened up and put it on our baking sheet. Okay, so now that it's on our baking sheet or your foil, if that's what you've got, we're gonna put this in the oven for, they say 70 to 90 minutes, and we're looking for the top crust to be golden brown and for the internal temperature to be 165 degrees. So I'm gonna pop this in my oven and then I'm gonna come back and tell you exactly how long it took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, it has been 95 minutes. Our pie has just come out of the oven. It was taking quite some time to get golden around the edges, and I feel like we're mostly there right now, but it's also leaking out everywhere. So we're gonna check our temperature, see what that's like, and we're gonna see if this is done. All right, so we are over 165 degrees internal temperature. So we're gonna call this done. This is our pie right here. And this precisely is why you do want to use some sort of foil or baking sheet underneath of it, because it will leak out. But this is what we've got. If you guys want to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review and let you know whether we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.